Hi, my name's Woody. I do the morning show on KORD with my partner Janice. It's the Janice and Woody show in the mornings. Hope you like country music. I heard about Smile a Mile because you guys came during our remodel and repainted our walls and made everything so beautiful and things like that. And so I was like, okay, these guys know what they're doing. And I got to talking with some of your guys that were painting out there too, super friendly. So that was something that makes you want to go, yeah, I like these guys. I think I'll call them. They took all the worry away because, you know, there's worry about paint on the carpet. There's worry about residue on your, you know, things like your furniture and your TV and stuff like that. And when I saw how they tinted everything and taped everything so perfectly, I mean, these guys are pros. They also did things so quickly and so perfectly that would take me all day, and then I'm kind of like, do I want to paint after I do all that? A day can go to masking and taping everything off. Why do that when there's Smile a Mile? And heck, they had half of it done before I got home from work. Who knew if you're going to have an offset wall that needs to be 2 shades different? Not 10, not 1, but yeah, it all just turned out looking perfect. It was me, and she texted me from work. She was about 30 minutes out of getting out of work, and she's like, well, ... question mark. And all I had to say back was, you're gonna love it. Simple amazement. Well, not only did it lighten everything up, but the precision is what really kind of blows us away. There's no extra paint on baseboards where there wasn't supposed to be. There's no paint on the carpets. Everything was just so perfect, we really couldn't believe it. Well, we started thinking about painting the cabinets a long time ago, and I don't know if you know what's involved with that. Well, actually you do. But it is a serious project to take all of the doors off and paint them and put everything back on. And of course, then again, we're masking because we're not painting the inside of the cabinets, we're painting just the outside of the cabinets. And that's a lot of detail work that you guys got done in 2 days, which kind of blew me away. And now they look like they were installed that color and not made that color. It's crazy. We went from old school brown, you know, your standard cabinets that are like in any home, to a beautiful white cabinet kitchen that just is amazing. Yeah, a lot of people are like, oh, I'll paint the cabinets. That'd be easier than painting a wall. Oh, no, it's the other way around. Absolutely thrilled. And we all know the old saying, and yes, I have a happy wife. Therefore, a happy life. If mama's not happy, no one is. I was very impressed every step of the way. And since I got to see how many steps are involved and what they did and how much they got done in such a short period of time was really mind-blowing. These guys come to work and they work right through it, and the paint dries and the second coat goes on, and it's really, truly impressive. Also the precision and the friendliness. You know, the guys were just friendly. I think they were so friendly, I went out and bought them lunch. You can tell they love what they do. As I was asking about a piece of equipment, well, that pump that goes to the sprayer and everything, they're all into it. They know model numbers and they get excited about talking about work. When you meet somebody who gets excited talking about their work, you know they love it.